computer. Okay, what's up, guys? So, today, let's continue the winter map. Winter map. Spell winter. Yeah. Avalanche. Be careful of the parts known for dangerous landforms. Yeah. The things with nets, blocks, yeah, things these are the blocks. Wait, it actually sometimes stops. Oh! I wish the snow was real. The trees in the distance look real. Yeah, but they're fake. The trees are fake. Only see, there's no round part. Aluminum. It starts when I enter. Bombaklat, bomba cha cha cha. Frozen lake. This is avalanche. The avalanche can start at any moment. That's what I was talking about. Duck. Bro, what did I hit to cause that? I'm rich. I got coins. Spell coins in the comments. Alive. Bombaklat. It's called bombaklat because it's a bombaklat. Bombaklat, boom boom cha cha. Bombaklat, bomba cha cha cha. Bombaklat, bomba cha cha cha. I can just go. Wait, there's bumps. Ja. Ho. This thing feels like Candy Mountain, but instead of candy, it's snow that became into smooth blocks. Yeah, No! Something moves. Ammonium and strontium, just halogens, helium and beryllium and strontium, then alcohol, then lift, then sodium, then stereoglycosium, skibidium, alphanum, rislinum, alpha. This is the safer route because we're away, but this is also the longer route. I literally have to drive to 10,000 bumpies. Hey! There's so many boxes here that new people can't even collect. Oh. I'll give him more yen. Okay, I added one package. Yeah, if I was on that route, I would be dead by now. Luckily, I choose this route. Bro, the boxes are so tall. Up. There's a block of snow. Above. Bro, I became an avalanche block. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, I'm recording this video in 2013. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm recording this in 2013. I'm recording this in 2013. Bonjour ding. Yeah, I'm recording this 2013. Oh, the avalanche sometimes stops. I secretly like this spot. Okay, we're doing the safer route. I mean the only route. Oh, it's 24141.5. This is 5 followed by 6189142. Over diameter. I'm actually gonna rage quit. I'm gonna pour money on my hard soil coins if I die on the 4th chance. This is the first. I'm not patient. Aluminium. Boo! This is my second chance. Second chance. When will the avalanche start? Or did it already start? Okay, it's starting. Just start. It disappears when I get near it. You can hear by the sound. Ow! Did I say fourth? Oh, I accidentally said second. Bro, I accidentally said second. I said second. I meant second, not fourth. My head hurt. I think I broke my head. Yeah, the tracks are very slippery. It already hurt. Bombaklat. Days, black days. Started. Things are flying all over me. An avalanche. It is normal. Montara School. Duck. Time paradox. Oh no, wait, what? Justin hit David. He hit me. Oh, you don't hit my David. Been 11 minutes and 32 seconds. I started this video 2024. I ended in 2000. Okay, I guys have a riddle for you. There is a father and a son. The father accidentally makes the car crash into another car. The dad dies at the scene. The boy survived with only minor injuries. He was taken to the hospital. The doctor said, "I can't operate on this boy. This boy is my son. How is that possible?" Write your answer in the comments. This thing's tall. Every bridge above this thing will touch it. Aluminum, cerium. There. This is the most packages I've ever delivered. Yeah, I don't have to worry anymore. Okay, I'm done. This is Frozen River. This is Frozen River. The stage tries. Oh, it's melting. The ice melts. Oh. Is bro done? No, the only goal is just to go fast. I actually gonna babaklat. Kidding. The only goal is going fast. Yeah. It will start to. Is this thing long? It's the barba. Hey yo! I'll try a smaller cart. I realized they're the same sizes. jingle bells, my sister smells. Jingle bells, my sister smells. My sister is a 2, but she doesn't know 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. She doesn't know what 1 plus 1 is because she's a failure at school, even though she's grade 2. I forgot the name of her section. Oh, jingle bells, my sister smells. But I need more grip. Is there a grip, grab? Huh. Bro, is there like a grip? I'll use this card. Yeah, I'll use this card because it's smaller. Aluminum, Pennicium. All the cards are the same size. Yeah, the ice is very slippery. Hey, it's now walkable. Magnesium, elegant and silicon, phosphorus. This is pretty hard. Look, this is very slippery. How is the back even holding? No, there's no connector. How? This question remains still how? Rhonium. I'll use this one because it has a better grip. There's still no connector. Bombaclat. Yeah, going fast won't help. See? That part's so hard. There's like braking. Do I have to go like light speed? Yeah, how does going fast work? Aluminum. This appears when I touch it. What is... Oh, I think I have to go faster. I go faster. Yeah, because on every rail I touch, it disappears. See, going fast doesn't affect it. Oh! Anything faster than 30. Should I just walk? Yeah, recording. Yeah, I'll stay at a constant speed. 21. Oh! Bro, even with this round shape. I'll keep a constant speed. It disappears. There. No! Yeah. I got this box of coins from Pandora. I live in a mansion. I live in a mansion that's so big I can't even get a photo of it. It's bigger than 10 meters, 100 meters long. Yeah, and I got a scratch from my Pandora coins. They're golden. Golden chocolate coins. Hello. You really thought you could I could trick you, huh? Stop being so skibbity. Wait, the ice there will melt. Wait. Oh, it reappears. Yeah, the boxes are too tall.